Welcome to 365 Basic Tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you on how to create a virtual tour, rooms, objects, and other things that you will see in a virtual tour. 1. Creating a new virtual tour. On the list of tours page, input name and author and click Create. Two. Adding a room on virtual tour. On the Rooms page, click the plus button. On the New Room panel, input a room name, and browse and choose a panorama image, then upload. Then click Create button after the upload. Once done, click Save. Three. Adding a marker on a room. On the Markers page, select a room. On the Virtual Tour window, rotate your view. And place your centered cursor to the place where you want to add a marker. Click the Add Marker button. On the Add Marker panel, you can set the style of the marker and look at animation of the camera. You can also set the room target. After that, click Add button. 4. Adding a POI to a room. On the POI page, select a room. On the Virtual Tour window, rotate your view. And place your centered cursor to the place where you want to add a POI. Click the Add POI button. In the Add POI panel, choose some content to show, then click Save. On the Content tab, you can now add content by browsing and uploading an image to your local computer. Then click Save. Five. Adding a map on Virtual Tour. On the Map page, click plus button. On the new map, input a name and upload an image for the floor plan. After the upload, click Create button. On the Map Image panel, click the plus button. On the new Map Point panel, select a room and click Create button. Place the point on the area where the room locates on the map, then click the Save button. On the preview, we will see that the angle view on the map is not the same angle as the view on the virtual tour. To fix that, go to the Rooms page and click Room Edit. Go to the Preview panel. On the North tab, rotate the camera to the angle where the north arrow on the map is facing. Then click Set and Save. Six. Adding an info box on virtual tour. On the info box page, click the plus button to add a content. Then you can choose a layout and template for the info box, then click the Save button. Seven. Adding a presentation on virtual tour. On the presentation page, there are two ways to play a presentation. 1. Automatic presentation. It consists of looking around the room by rotating and moving on to the next one. Inside the panel you can set Enabled, and set the number of rotating speed, then click Save to update the changes. 2. Manual presentation. It consists of defining the order, changing the views of the rooms, and adding possible narrative text. Inside the panel, click Add Room button. On the Room panel, select a room and set the number of waiting before changing a room in milliseconds, then click Add button. Click Add Action button. You can select two actions. Change the view and narrative text actions. 8. Uploading assets on the media section. In the media section, we can upload a gallery of photos on the gallery page, an icon image on the icon library, of photos and videos on the media library, and an audios on the music library. To upload this asset, you must click the box or drag the assets on the Dropbox area to upload. Nine. Virtual tour landing page. On the landing page, click the plus button to add a content. You can choose a layout, template, and virtual tour window for your landing page. The landing page link can be copied on the virtual tour links and can be viewed on the browser. Ten. Virtual tour links. On the links page, go to the Share and Embed panel. You can copy the viewer and landing link to view the virtual tour on the browser. You can also copy an embed link to embed your virtual tour or the landing page on a website. And that's all for the 365 basic tutorial. Hope you learned the basics of creating a virtual tour. To learn more, go and watch the 365 advanced tutorial video.